Hello, ni hao. I'm Ian from New Zealand, originally from the UK. I am a TEFL qualified teacher of English and a native speaker. I have 20 plus years of teaching experience and I have 2 degrees. I see online teaching as the future for distance education and have studied this subject to diploma level at Waikato University. You can contact me through my email address or my telephone. Happy to discuss this matter further. I'm hoping to start teaching as soon as possible. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye bye, he says. Wave. Zai Chia. I have many subjects to offer, from maths and IT to electronics and programming. Lastly, of course, is English. What follows is a short introduction as to what I can teach. So, fractions. We could have a block of chocolate, tennis court, whatever, and say the whole is made up of 2 parts, and by shading in we have got one of the parts or half of the block of chocolate. If you grew up with brothers and sisters, you'll be very good at sharing, and this is a sort of type of sharing where your parent will have said share nicely, have half each if there's 2 of you. If there's 3 of you, then we get a slightly different fraction. The parts must be an equal size, or there's an argument. At my family there used to be a fight. The whole is the same size. This is only a rough sketch, but the whole is the same size and it's got 3 parts. We have to share nicely, and so we get one of the parts. If there was 4 of you, like so, we could chop it into a half. We could chop that half again. So the whole has now got 4 parts. And if there was 4 of you sharing, we'd say it is 1/4 or 1/4. Taking this idea to other shapes, of course, there's a fine shape that is a circle, and that's the centre. It's only a sketch. We could say that's a half, so, or a quarter. The whole is 1. The whole is 4 parts. We then decide to have one of them, so it's 1/4. I appreciate it's a different shape and a different size, but it's still 4 parts, and we've got one of them. It's still 4 parts, 4, and we've got one of them. So the whole goes at the bottom and the part goes at the top. The fancy way of writing this is the numerator goes on the top and the denominator goes on the bottom. Let's have a little bit of magic.
Oh, come on!